Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable stars in Yahoo Mail app. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I'm gonna show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy and how to make money online. Now, let's jump into it. First of all, let's open the app. Tap to the left top button where is a button with 3 lines. This opens the main page. Search for the settings button and open it. In the settings we have to search for the message list settings. There must appear the show stars option. If it's gray, tap it and now will be enabled. By tapping it again will be disabled. Now let's get back to the messages. Here we can see at every message right corner is a star. If you tap that, then the message will be assigned with this star as a favorite. If you tap it again, the assignment will be stopped. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye!